Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, December 21, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. The coffee smells great today.
Hi, David. Yes, I need this black coffee. I have a busy week ahead.
Me too. I have sales calls all day. How are you today?
A bit tired, but okay. Did you see the news this week?
Yeah, lots of crazy stories. That flood news from dry places got me.
Right, in Oman, a very dry place. Now extreme rain happens there.
Washington Post talked about it. Floods kill people, houses gone.
Yes. They say a big change in the air brings more water to the coast.
Scary stuff. Oman is hot and dry, no rain usually.
Now it rains too much. Roads close. People lose homes.
How does that hit business? We send teams to the Middle East sometimes.
Bad for projects. Travel plans change fast with weather.
True. Sales trips get canceled, no deals then.
It makes me think about climate. Deserts get floods now.
Crazy world. What if it happens here, our office floods?
Hope not. Pass the sugar, please.
Here you go. That story makes me worry about trips.
Me too. Our company plans trips to hot areas.
Yeah. Sales guys like me go there often.
Project managers check weather first now.
Smart. Okay, next news. That data center thing.
Oh yes, supersized ones for AI. Washington Post had the story.
They use power like big US cities. One center equals a city.
Right, they are miles wide, not small buildings.
Huge. Our office computers use so little power.
But AI needs giant centers. They build them everywhere.
Changes the land. Farms gone for data centers.
Yes, power bills go up for everyone.
In our office, lights stay on all night sometimes.
AI helps work, but energy problems come.
For sales, AI writes emails fast. Good tool.
For projects, AI plans schedules. Saves time.
But pollution from power plants, bad side.
True, jobs in tech grow. That is good.
Our PM team talks about AI every meeting.
We do. It changes how we work.
Power like a city. Imagine the bill.
Companies pay big money. Governments worry.
What next? That Candace Owens news.
Yes, Washington Post covered it. Her claims upset people.
She talks conspiracy about Charlie Kirk. Crazy stuff.
Charlie Kirk is a big conservative voice. She says wild things.
MAGA people mad at her now. Old friends fight.
She rose fast in media. Firebrand, they call her.
Politics hot everywhere. Even in office lunch talks.
People chat about Trump and fights.
Distracts from work. Customers talk politics too.
In sales calls, you hear it?
Yes, deals slow down when they argue.
Projects stay neutral. We focus on tasks.
Smart move. No politics in meetings.
Good. Her words cause big fights online.
Twitter full of anger, X now?
Yes, divides friends and teams.
Like in our office. Some love Trump, some not.
We keep peace, talk weather instead.
Haha, weather like Oman floods.
True, back to coffee. This is good. Strong today. Helps me wake up.
I had milk, sweet too.
Weekend was relax, no work.
Yes, watch games. You?
Family time, movie night.
Nice. News like that makes weekend better.
Or scarier, AI everywhere now.
Robots take jobs. No way.
Helps jobs, makes faster.
Okay, my cup empty. More?
No thanks, one enough.
Meeting at 9?
Yes, project update.
Sales call first. Busy.
Good luck. See you later.
Thanks. You have a good day.
You too, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.